How to lock Facebook profile in Android apps. Hi there, today we'll learn how to lock your Facebook profile if you have an Android phone. So first you need to open your Facebook application. Once you are logged in, you need to click on your profile. So you need to click on your profile first, that's located on the left side of the screen. And then usually it will show, or the option to lock your profile will be below the word view as, but since that option is not currently available for us here, we'll need to manually lock the profile. So we need to click on the three bars menu, and then under settings and privacy we need to click on settings. From there you need to scroll down a bit, and under audience and visibility, that's where we will manually lock your profile, which means you need to set who your audiences are. So you can either choose only your friends can see your account and your post and etc. So for example, who can send friend requests, only friends of friends. And another here is that who will be able to see my friends list. I have chosen only me, as well as the other options here as well, where another option here will be who can look up my email that I used on the account, as well as the phone number that I used. I specifically modify this to only me, since I really want my Facebook profile to be that private. Another here is that, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile? In my settings here, I don't want this to be, so I did not turn that on. Okay, so another option here is that on your post, who will be your viewers on your post. And my end here, you can choose friends, or you can customize this to only specific friends that you have, or you can even set it to only me. You can also limit who can see your older post on your timeline by clicking on limit past post. Okay, and from there you can also set up the stories, who can see your stories, and you can also manage the story archives, as well as your reels and the followers on public content on your account. As you can see, I already have set it or manually set up my profile, where I specifically modified it to my liking. So another here is profile and tagging. You will be able to specifically specify on who are the people who can tag you on their post. And that's it. That's how you manually lock your Facebook profile. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.